Hey Marina, Akram here from ClickFunnels Tech Support. So I understand you want to know where you can find your templates. I see that you just started your account, so welcome to ClickFunnels. And what you do is you click on Add New, and you'll be able to select the templates. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and open up my own account and show you how to do that. So this is my account, as you can see, Akram Hamid. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you how you can do that. Basically, you can select, let me say, start a cookbook. And I'm going to select squeeze page. Okay, there are multiple funnel types you can choose. So I'll select this funnel for this. There are free and there are paid versions of everything. So I'm just going to select this one as an example. I'm going to get the funnel. So what this is so kind of like a done for you funnel, and what you do is you actually just edit the template. So this is an example of a template. This is a template. You have the opt-in page, the thank you page, and there are other templates as well. When you click on add new step, you'll be able to give it a name. Let's say a dummy step. So it will now show you like an opt-in, which means you haven't selected a particular template. As you can see, you have multiple templates here. You can choose whichever you want. Okay, so as you can see, there's a lot of templates, and this is actually just for the opt-in. There's also there's the email opt-in. There's also a thank you opt-in, which will give you different options as well. And then after that, you also go for sales pages, product launch, order forms, upsells, downsells, order confirmation, webinar registration, thank you, broadcasts, membership. So all this, when you click on them, they're going to give you all options for different templates. See, this one has its own as well. So yeah, this is one that you can actually just create and select. And now as an example, I chose a sales page template, and it will just populate. And then what you do is click on the editor and you go in and you edit it. So I hope this answered your question. Bye for now.